So this is guys. Aduh. Aduh. Gabi kahangak. Hingal. Hanggang doon pa. First day in Hat Yai, Thailand. So ayan guys. Nakaligo na sila guys. Naka-rest na din. Getting ready. Ready na naman kami mag-tour. Wow. Feeling tourist. Bangga. Diba?
Indiana.
Oh. Anong room yun? So ayan. Saan kaya yung punta namin? Ayan, ito. Tingnan naman si Bebe. Tourist na tourist kami ha.
Sino nasa mga apat? Wala kayo? Isang dalawa.
Diba? Where's Milan, no? Yeah. Milan is here. Diba? Saan kaya kami pupunta ngayon? So, waiting sa bus namin. Kami ay halayas na din. So, this is the hotel we stay. The Yanate Hotel. Di ba bongga? So, are you now here? Waiting sa bus. So, another hotel. So, ito yung hotel. Ayan, may free drink daw sila. Diyan. Ano to? Ay, water lang pala. Maybe tomorrow, we eat breakfast here. Hindi ba bongga? Ila hotel, guys. Ito pa yung massage dito. Magpamassage. At andito ako. Yan. Yan lang. Kasi mainit dito sa Thailand. Para fresh na fresh. Ayan. So, they are getting ready. Sana yung bus. Ayan na. Grabe ka. Ang dami namin guys. Oh. Dito ako sa labas. Muna. Nag-take a deep breath. Alam na kung anong ginagawa ko dito sa labas ng hotel. Ganda din ang wall nila. Bongga. Ito yung area nila kung saan ka mag-UC. Diyan. So ayan na guys, sila guys. They are from Sri Lanka. Then we're getting ready na. Ayan na. Fresh na fresh ang mga tahong nila. Magparitoke daw sila. Kaya pumunta sila ng Thailand. Sawadika. Jogging. Magpalaki ng puwit. Diba? Magpasikip ng tahong. Magpalaki ng talong. Grabe na customer ang Thailand. Bongga. Ang mga fresh na yan guys. Grabe yung biyahe namin kagabi. So kaya nag-check-in kami 1 PM na. 1 PM. Tapos rest. Mga 2 PM na kami naka-check-in. Rest. Thailand time. 2 PM Thailand time. Tapos pahinga kami rest ng 2 hours. Nag-freshen up. Sabi ko, freshen up. Tapos punta na naman kami. Iwan kung saan kami pupunta. Ang dami namin guys. So.
Excuse me, while we are waiting for the bus, so may I give you some information about tonight? I mean, after you finish recording. So, do you see that the big building there, the hotel that's called that is called it's the center of Hat Yai downtown. It's big. None of the red one, the white color. Yeah, the big one there. We can walk from here to the big garden there.
This one only.
The white one.
The last one.
The big one on the right hand side. Yeah. We can walk there in the night time. We have the night market every day there.
Club or March to 3.
Oh yeah, actually we have our pub there. It's close to the garden.
Ngampanya. Ifoto daw. Adto kay na ngampanya. Ah, ngampanya. Diba? So yun na guys, ready to go. Dito na naman kami sa bus. Sa bus. We're going to the hilltop.
You just walk back straight
Hilltop.
back.
Hilltop.
You just straight back for
Punta daw kami ng hilltop.
traffic light.
Ewan ko kung kaya pa ng mga tuhod namin ng hilltop.
Straight, yeah.
Abas paakyat daw. Ah, okay.
But it's getting dark. We must go up to the view. So perhaps we can postpone the shopping for tomorrow.
So after this, the hilltop, we go to the central market. And then that tonight, they said wanna go to the club. Wow, club! Party, party! Yay!
Kilometers only. It's very small. I mean the downtown only. You cannot have enough fare in the downtown, you know, because we said that the train is crashed. The train is running on the same track. Because Hat Yai is a very small town. Okay, let's say if you and me, we are girlfriend boyfriend, and I have another affair, I take another girlfriend at the central Hat Yai department store. The secrets we will reveal tomorrow. Hat Yai is very small town. Very small town. It's not the good place to have one more love. You must have only one love here. Hat Yai is very small town, but the real size of Hat Yai should be 30 times 30 square kilometers. But out of the downtown is the plantation area. We have the para rubber plantation like in Malaysia or Indonesia. South of Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, we have the para rubber plantation. We have a lot. So I study at the faculty of the tourism industry. You must enter into the Dragon Mount to the standing Buddha. Okay, let's have the group picture first at the Dragon.
So we are here, guys, at the hilltop mountain. We are at the, anong tawag niyan? Mouth of the dragon. We are here.
Hello, let's have a
Sa
group
mouth
picture.
of the dragon. So we need to take picture first. Group photo. And si Milana.
Yung payong ko, dapat pala ito lang.
The better top view of Hat Yai must go to the third floor.
Ma, go up.
And out.
Take the video first.
Wow.
And see the whole thing there.
We have a lot of time in this 6 o'clock.
Yan. Ayan, ganda on.
Hello! I'm in the, what is this one? Dragon.
Sige mo dito. Dito tayo sa gila.
Picture first. So we are going up to the dragon. O, diba? Mouth of... Oh. Yan sila. Picture. Milano, look at here. There. So, ayan na guys. So we are here. Going up there. Behind me. Di ba bongga? That's nice. So we're going up here. Very beautiful. We're going up to the 3rd level. Hanggang doon. Tingnan natin kung anong meron doon sa taas. Ay, gihingak na ko eh. Hangak na ano eh. Ko. Hanggang doon sa taas. Eh. Hanggang doon pa guys. Wow. Very nice. So this is guys. Aduh. Gabi kahangak. Hingal. Hanggang doon pa. Sus. Makaya ko ba yan? Hey. Wala pa naman akong tubig. Grabe. Sa baba makikita yung hatchay. Okay, let's go. Kayanin natin. Kayanin. Dito tayo maga. Di pa naman ako nagdala ng tubig. Aday. I don't have water. Look at the view, guys. Down. Can see. Aday, kahangak. Can see the hatchay. That is hatchay, guys. See. Very nice. It was done already, still have ada lagi ke atas. Milano is there. Nakaabot na si Milano sa pungkay. Si hi, be. There. So yan guys. Say hi. It's okay, you can say hi. Hello. It's beautiful. Look at there. Down there. It's beautiful. Kaya pa? Kakayanin, laban. Laban lang. Laban Japan. Ha?
Kaya ko nga yung broken hearted ko.
Broken hearted mo ang puso. Ha? Punta pa ako doon, guys. Okay, let's go.
Kaya pa?
Dito ta guys, magunit guys, kay mga yabat na guys. 3 more. Let's go. Kasi nagagalaw yung pag ganun madilim. Ito naman. Almost there. Let's go.
guys.
Look at behind me.
Pakipindot mo yung
She behind. Behind.
Pakipindot mo lang yung ano. Ano na yung
Look at the view behind me. Diba? Ang ganda. Pero nakakahingang. See? Perfect. No, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Perfect. That's all. This is Hatay Top Hill. Yan guys. Diba? So look at behind me. So ayan yung sa baba guys. The view from the hilltop.
Ate!
Behind like back. That is the view from the hilltop. See? Para siyang ano, para siyang Batu Cave. Macam Batu Cave. Just like Batu Cave guys. See? But this one is super ganda. Here is better than Batu Cave. Right? It's right. Yeah. In Batu Cave banyak monyet kan? But here very nice the view.
Lebih dia nampak.
Kat Batu Cave kan dia punya Buddha kat bawah. Yang ini sampai ke atas ini kan?
Top.
On the top.
Tapi Buddha di Batu Cave tinggi.
Tinggi, ya. Yang itu tinggi.
Tinggi di dunia.
Iya, ya.
Sampai dah.
Kaya sampai. Berapa anak tanggap?
200 lebih. 200.
Bukan 600 lebih.
Sampai gua dalam sekali.
600 lebih. 600 lebih.
Ke tempat
600.
sampai tempat ayah Pin doa. Ayah Pin pernah masuk.
Tapi sini okey. Kita sampai ke atas sini macam fresh kan. Kat Batu Cave kita naik ke atas tu dia
Batu
macam.
penat.
Dia gelak tak ada dia masuk
Ha? Dari KL.
Oh, okay.
dia masuk dalam batu kes berkuat dalam.
So here's my son. Lana. There. Okay, that's all for today. Bye. Bye, darling. Bye. See you on my next vlog.
Jom kita.
After we go up, then we go down.